Let's do some clean girl makeup, but for women over 30 whose skin needs a little extra love. Peep my flooded house behind me. A few drops of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Then we're gonna do a little hydrating serum and a little sunscreen. A little brow wax to fluff the brows. And shape those puppies. Fill them in with a contour shade. Definitely need to pluck my brows. And bronzer all over to even out the skin tone. I'm gonna mix a little bit of my bronzer with my contour to add a little more definition to my cheeks. Gonna do the softest little nose contour job. Instead of using concealer under the eyes, I'm gonna use my magical color correcting kit. This is called Demi. With Demi, you use Color Science, neutralizes and tones the skin without any excess makeup texture. Basically makes your acne spots disappear. A little excess purple and blue right here, so I'm using the opposite color, which is yellow and orange. Where it's a little bit more blue, I'm adding just an orange. Red orange, where it's more muddy green on the outside of my eye. Demi under eye, nothing under my eye. Little blush, and some gloss right here. Tiny bit of contour for lip liner. Gloss all over as an illuminator. On the lips too. Let's do a quick side by side. So first clip is no makeup at all. And then this is with our clean girl makeup routine. Look at that. So natural and beautiful. Everything I used was all from this one palette. Text or comment the word match below to get recommendations for your own clean girl all-in-one makeup palette.